Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to get the suggested profile. But before that, I have done a spelling mistake, so we need to correct it. So inside suggestion.js, so here the spelling is incorrect of profile. So suggested profiles, okay? So Profiles, okay? Profiles. So make sure the spelling is correct, okay? So this is one thing, and we also need to add CSS for the skeleton. So let's go to the browser and you need to go to React loading skeleton. So here if I search for React loading skeleton, so this is the first link. Okay, this is the npm package. So if you scroll down here, one second, let me search again, React loading skeleton. Yeah, this is the one, correct? React loading skeleton. What is the issue? Packages. One second. npm.js.com package. Why this page is not loading? Okay, anyways, if you go to this page, this will you need to open this, and here is the CSS link. Okay, so let me copy this and let's go to the Visual Studio Code and inside the index.js, okay, which is in the root. So here you need to paste the skeleton CSS. Now the skeleton will work. Okay, so let me close this, and now we need to get the suggested profile. So for that we need to go to firebase.js. Okay, so here inside the service we have firebase.js, and we need a function for that. We need an async function, so which is kind of similar to this function. So export async function, and here we need to write the name get suggested profiles. Okay, and here we need to pass user ID, and let's copy this, which is kind of similar. Okay, so I'll just paste it here. Await Firebase, Firestore collection will be user, and this we don't require. Instead of this, we need to limit the suggestions. Okay, so I need a limit of 10. Okay, we need only 10 suggested profiles. So, and then we need a get function. Let me save this. Oh, this is fine. Now what else we need? Okay, let's console log result. Let me save this, and then we need to just return the result. Okay, now let's go to the browser. Let's check in the console. Let me refresh it. So now the skeleton is working fine. So basically we are getting the result. Okay, so as you can see, the user ID is undefined, but then it shows the initially the user ID is undefined, then we can see the user ID and we are getting the result. But it should not happen. We should get the user ID. If the user ID is there, only then the result should be seen. So for that we need to add a condition. So inside suggestions.js, here, so after the console, I'll say if user ID, okay, if this is true, if we are getting the user ID, then only run this function. Okay, so let me cut it out and paste it here. Let me save this. Okay, now let's go back here. Now this time we should not get undefined. So still we are getting undefined. Okay, because I am doing a console before that only. So let's console log after this. Maybe this time we can see. As you can see, we are getting the user ID and then the result. Okay, Now we need to make sure that we get the suggested profile which does not include my profile. Okay, so for that we need to go to index.js, which is inside the sidebar folder. Okay, so here let's see if we are getting the following from the user. So here what I will do is I'll just say following, and let's console log following. Okay, let me save this. Let's check in the browser. So now as you can see, the following is empty array because I'm not following any user. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go to Firebase. Now inside this Firebase Firestore database, uh, this is my user Samir. Okay, as you can see, I'm not following anyone. So what I have to do is just I will follow Daniel. So the user ID is 3. Okay, the user ID of Daniel is 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow Daniel. So here I just need to add an array which is a string, and the value should be 3. Let me add this. So now I'm following Daniel. So now if I go back and if I do a refresh, so as you can see, we are having the following as 3. It means I'm following Daniel, and here inside the Daniel, the this should be the user ID as a follower. So if I go on Daniel, so this is my user ID as a follower. Okay, so this is my user ID. So now I'm following Daniel. So this is perfectly correct. Now what we need to do is we need to go to again Visual Studio Code, and here I'll just pass the following. So following equals to following. Okay, let me save this. And now inside suggestion.js, here we are passing user ID as a prop. We also need following. Okay, and now we need to add a prop type. So here I'll say following, that is going to be prop type dot array. Okay, let me save this. Now let's go to firebase.js, and here let me remove a console and this return result, and here I'll pass the following. Okay, following. Let me save this. Now inside suggestions.js, here we also need to add the following. So following. Okay, let's save this. Now let's go back to firebase.js, and here I'll say return result dot docs. Now we need to map. Okay, so map user, and now we need to destructure the user. So user dot data. Okay, add a colon. Sorry, here we need to have this bracket. Okay, let me close the bracket here. Let's save this. Okay, something is not correct. So here, let's open this. Okay, this is fine now. Let me just save. Okay. Okay, still something is incorrect. User. So I've destructured the user dot data. Okay. And here that we'll see if anything is incorrect. We'll see. First we'll complete what we required. So doc ID that is going to be user ID dot ID. I think here we need one more round bracket. So let me save this. Now this is fine. Okay. Now here I'll say dot filter profile dot user ID that is not equal to user ID and not following dot includes profile dot user ID. Okay, let me save this. So first we are getting all the users. Okay, then make sure your profile is not shown. Okay, your profile is not shown in the suggested profile. Okay, and this line of code, okay, this line of code means that we don't want to show the profiles which we already following. Okay, so we don't want to show the profiles which we are already following. Okay, so this was the code for this, and now let's go to suggestions.js, and I just wanted to console the profile. So let's console here, console.log profile. Okay, let me save this. Now let's go to the browser. Okay, so we are getting the profile, as you can see. Now we are getting the profiles. We are getting two profiles in which we do not have the my profile as well as the Daniel profile. So what we have is Stephen and we have Carlos. Okay, so but we don't have my profile and we also don't have Daniel's profile, which I'm following. So this is perfectly correct. Okay. Now what we have to do is now let's go to Firebase, and if I check the other users, Stephen. So here as I'm not following Stephen, so we don't require this follower ID in this Stephen's profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. Okay, and even in this case, Carlos, we are not following, I'm not following Carlos, so this user ID is not required in the followers. So let me remove this because this was my user ID. So now we got two profiles. Okay, now we got two profiles, and now we need to show these profiles here. Okay, so that we will be doing in the next video. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.